In today's business, an unfortunate but common problem is employee turnover, which is a burden on your company's time, resource, and production efficiency. Let me ask you, what are the odds that you will need to train a new machine operator over the lifetime of your MultiCam Apex router? Pretty high odds, I bet. I can't help you hire a new operator, but I can help you expedite the process to make them proficient in the Apex router operations. I'm here to demonstrate how astonishingly quick and easy it is to run your CNC router machine with the surface probe and calibration sensor option. Anytime a tool needs to be changed, for whatever reason, you need to reteach the machine how long the tool is. I love this calibration sensor because it makes the process easy, safe, and accurate. Tell it what tool to calibrate. Jog down to somewhere near the sensor and press 0. Done. To teach the machine the bottom of the material, pressing the key that actually looks like the operation, fires the probe down, jog to somewhere near the material bottom, and press 0. Let's do it again for the top. Pressing the surface key, probe fires down, jog down to somewhere near the material top, and press 0. Done. You can have your new hire operating your machine almost immediately and save your company's resources and maintain production efficiency.